So we put the battery in. It's kind of dark in here, sorry, but take my word, that red light not blinking, that's the key. That means it's charging. Before it was blinking as if the battery was too cold or too hot. And that's because that resistor, or whatever it was, the white wire with the square thing on the end, I think it's a resistor, but not sure, was just reading it wasn't reading the battery temperature as being okay, so it wouldn't charge. And here we go, we're charging, and based on my other battery, it charged fine. When it was completed charging, it was fine, pulled it out, used it, and good to go. So I did notify the company. I told them what was wrong with these. I can just imagine that someone just reversed the two wires. Maybe someone who didn't pay attention or didn't know that it was that important. It's not really a hard fix. Actually, it's quite easy. At first it was a little nerve-wracking for me to try to figure it out and take other batteries apart. In fact, right here is the main battery I used as my example. It was a true Makita battery, one that was quite old. Took it apart, and I also took some other batteries apart. They were by other companies. They didn't have the consistency that the Makita ones did. Fortunately, these do. These are very consistent with the Makita battery. I mean, they were consistent in where the terminals were. That was exactly the same. It's just how they got to that point was a little different. But end result, the company did give me some money back. So they were quite inexpensive to start with. And then I got, I think, over half the money back. So real inexpensive, and they're awesome batteries according to the specs, and I believe they're going to be. I think they're going to last, and all I have to do is reverse those wires. I have two more to do, and then all four will be fixed. But I didn't even decharge the others. I haven't used them up yet, so no sense of doing that yet. But save my drawing, and I'll repeat it.